Alright, welcome to Case Technologies. In today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to download Cura Ulitimaker so that you can use it with your 3D printer. I'm going to be using Linux today, um, Debian to be more specific. So let's go ahead and go to Software tab, Ulitimaker Cura. And if you were wondering why I use this software, I use it for my Creality Ender 3D Pro because it's been easy and simple for me. However, you can slice with other products. You can slice from um, Tinkercad, CAD, other things if you are familiar with those. Ooh. All right. Sorry, I did an extra click on you guys. Um, so I just want to do app image with Linux. So we want to do it here and select. If you have Windows, you want to select that or Mac, right? So make sure you're familiar with what system you have. Go ahead and download that. And it'll be done in a few seconds. All right. All right. Let's see. All right. Let me pull up my terminal so that you can see as well. See. And the name is under Ultimaker, so that's good. Oh, clear. And let's see here. We want to go ahead and execute it. All right. So I'm gonna have to. Let's see. I gotta install that on a different device. So let's see. Oh no, that should be fine there. Okay. All right, now that I'm in my downloads directory, I can go ahead and install it. Oops. I'll run it as executable. We'll run it, not necessarily install it. And we'll go ahead and launch it. And voila, there you go. It doesn't take that much to run it. You can put this in your user bin local. If you want it, add it to bash RC and add it to your path, and you'll be able to run it without any issues. All right. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to go ahead and chmod plus X. Make sure that's executable. And we'll make sure. Because yeah, it'll be home, your name, bin. That'll be good. Okay, good. So we already have a bin file for me. But if you don't run that command, alright, this is in there. Then we want to go back to downloads and move Ulitimaker to bin. Let's see. we have to make it executable. Then we're going to move it to then we're going to go to local. Oh, and we want to see. All right, there we go there. All right. I have my old one on there, and this is my update one. And that's all you have to do. Come back in the next video. I'll teach you how to make an icon for it and launch it as a desktop application. All right, remember to like, comment, and subscribe.